Have you ever wondered how to bring more luck and positivity into your life? Imagine having a powerful talisman, a special object filled with mystical energies from different cultures, enhancing your journey through life. The world is full of these fascinating talismans, each with its unique history and purpose. From ancient Egyptian ankhs to Chinese lucky coins, talismans have been revered for centuries, believed to bring good fortune, protection, and success. In today's video, we will dive into the mystical world of talismans, discovering their origins and meanings, and guide you on how to choose and activate your very own amulet for a prosperous life. Get ready to uncover the secrets of luck and unlock a world of endless possibilities. Talismans have been a part of human history for as long as we can remember. Across various cultures, these objects have been crafted with great care and imbued with symbolic meaning. In ancient Egypt, the ankh symbol, often worn as a pendant, was believed to grant the wearer eternal life and protection. In contrast, the Chinese culture offers a variety of talismans, such as the lucky coin, which represents prosperity and wealth. The Hamsa hand, prevalent in Middle Eastern cultures, is a powerful symbol of protection and defense against the evil eye. These are just a few examples of the rich tapestry of talismans that people have used throughout history to attract good luck and ward off negativity. Each talisman is unique, holding a specific vibration and energy that aligns with different aspects of our lives. Choosing the right talisman is a deeply personal journey. It begins with understanding your own desires and intentions. For instance, if you seek success in your career, you might be drawn to a talisman associated with achievement and recognition, like the tiger's eye stone, which is known for its grounding and motivating properties. On the other hand, if you're looking for love and harmony in your relationships, the rose quartz, a symbol of love and compassion, might be the perfect choice for you. Once you have chosen your talisman, the next step is to activate it. This process involves connecting with the talisman's energy and setting your intentions clearly. A simple yet effective way to activate your talisman is through a ritual or meditation. Find a quiet space where you can focus without interruptions. Hold the talisman in your hand and close your eyes. Take deep breaths and visualize your intentions being absorbed by the talisman. You can also recite a mantra or affirmation that resonates with your goal. For example, if you're using a talisman for protection, you might say, "I am safe and protected wherever I go." This helps to strengthen the bond between you and your talisman, making it a powerful tool in your journey towards your goals. In addition to activating your talisman, it's important to care for it regularly. Cleansing your talisman can help to maintain its energy and effectiveness. There are several ways to cleanse a talisman, such as smudging with sage, placing it under moonlight, or using sound vibrations from a singing bowl. By taking care of your talisman, you ensure that it remains a positive influence in your life. Talismans are more than just objects. They are companions on your journey through life. They remind us of our intentions and help us stay focused on our goals. As you embark on this exciting journey of choosing and activating your own talisman, remember that the power lies within you. By aligning your energy with the talisman, you are setting the stage for positive changes and manifestations in your life. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. We would love to hear about your experiences with talismans in the comments below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on enhancing your life through ancient wisdom and modern practices. Together, let's create a life filled with abundance, protection, and joy.